And it goes a little something like.
Hi everyone, I'm Donna G. Berlasa, student of CTU San Francisco campus, and for today's video, I will guide you on how to use a Microsoft Word and a Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Word. Word 2016 is a word processing application or program that allows you to create a variety of documents like letters, flyers, and reports. Word interface. When Word is opened, the word Start screen will appear. The Start screen allows you to create a new document by choosing from the list of pre-made templates. This is a blank page overview. The ribbon. The ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of tools. The tools provided in the ribbon will help you complete the common tasks in Word. There are the ribbons has 9 tabs: File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, Help. The ribbon. The Home tab gives you access to some of the most commonly used commands for working with Word, including copying and pasting, formatting, aligning paragraphs, and choosing document style. The Home tab is selected by default whenever you open Word. The Insert tab allows you to insert pictures, charts, tables, shapes, cover pages, and more to your document, which can help you communicate information visually and add style to your document. The Design tab gives you access to a variety of design tools, including document formatting, effects, and page borders, which can give your document a polished look. The Layout tab allows you to change the print formatting of your document, including margin width, page orientation, page breaks, and more. These tools will be helpful when preparing to print a document. The References tab allows you to add footnotes, citations, table of contents, captions, and a bibliography. These tools are helpful when composing academic papers. The Mailings tab is used for composing letters, address envelopes, and creating labels. It is useful when you are mailing a large number of letters. The Review tab has Word's powerful editing features such as adding comments and tracking changes. These features make it easy to share and collaborate on documents. The View tab allows you to switch between different views for your document and split the screen to view 2 parts of your document at once. These tools will also be helpful when preparing to print a document. Contextual tabs under Format will appear on the ribbon when working with the certain items, such as tables and pictures. These tabs contain special tools that can help you format items as needed. The Quick Access Toolbar, located just above the ribbon. The Quick Access Toolbar lets you access common commands no matter which tab is selected. By default, it shows the Save, Undo, and Repeat commands. You can add other tools depending on your preference. These are the steps of Quick Access Toolbar. The roller is located at the top and to the left of your document. It makes it easier to adjust your document with precision. If you want, you can hide the roller to create more screen space. To show or hide the roller, these are the steps. First, click the View tab. Second, click the checkbox next to Roller Show or hide the roller. Document Views. Word 2016 has a variety of viewing options that change how your document is displayed. You can choose to view your document in read mode, print layout, or web layout. These views can be useful for various tasks. Read mode. In this view, all of the editing tools are hidden so your document fills the screen. Arrows appear on the left and the right side of the screen to toggle through the pages of your document. Print mode. This is the default view where you create and edit your document. There are page breaks in between each page, indicating how your document will look when printed. Web layout. This view removes page breaks. It can help you visualize how your document will display as a web page. The insertion point. The insertion point is the blinking vertical line in your document. It indicates where you can enter text on the page. Blank document. When a new document opens, the insertion point is located in the top left corner of the page. Manual placement. After a text has been entered, you can use the mouse to move the insertion point to a specific place in your document. Copy and paste text. To copy and paste text, copying text creates a duplicate of the text. First, select the text you wish to copy. Second, click the copy command on the Home tab or right-click the selected text and click copy. Third, place the insertion point where you wish the text to appear. Fourth, click the paste command on the Home tab or right-click and click paste. 5. Then the copied text will appear. Cut and paste text. First, select the text you wish to cut. Second, click the cut command on the Home tab or right-click the selected text and select cut. Third, place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. Fourth, click the paste command on the Home tab or right-click and select paste and the text will appear. How to change font. Word 2016 provides a variety of other fonts you can use to customize text and titles. First, select the text you wish to change. Second, on the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the font box. A menu of font styles will appear. Third, move the mouse over the list of font styles. Then, select the font you would like to use. Fourth, the font will change in the document. Changing font size. First, select the text you wish to change. Second, select the desired font size formatting option. Font size drop-down arrow on the Home tab, click the font size drop-down arrow. A menu of font size will appear. When you move the mouse over the various font size, a live preview of the font size will appear in the document. Font color. First, select the text you wish to change. Second, on the Home tab, click the font color drop-down arrow. The font color menu appears. Third, move the mouse over the various font colors. A live review of the color will appear in the document. Fourth, select the font color you wish to use. The font color will change in the document. Highlight text. Highlighting text can be useful when marking important text in your document. First, select the text you wish to highlight. 2. From the Home tab, click the text highlighter color drop-down arrow. These are the use of bold, italic, and underline. Just follow these 3 steps. These are the steps on how to change text alignment. Just follow these 2 steps. These are the steps on how to use page orientation. Then follow these 4 steps. Changing page size. To change the page size, just follow these 2 steps. Backstage view. Backstage view gives you various options for saving, opening a file, printing, and sharing your document. New document. To begin a new project Word, these are the steps on how to create a new document. How to open an existing document. These 3 steps will help you how to open an existing document. Save and save as. In Word, there are 2 ways to save a file. Save and save as. Save is used when a document is opened or edited to save what you are working on. Save as is used to save the document to a location and change the name of the document. It is important to save your document whenever you start a new project or make changes to an existing one. Saving early and often can prevent your work from being lost. You will also need to pay close attention to where you save the documents so it will be easy to find later. These are the steps how to save a document. Just follow these 5 steps how to save. These are the 3 steps on how to export Word to PDF. Just follow these 3 steps. These are the 4 types of how to export your documents to other files. And that's all the basic guidelines on how to use a Microsoft Word for beginners. And now, let's proceed to a Microsoft Excel, but first, it is important to know what is Excel. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. Within Excel, user can organize data, create chart, and perform calculation. Excel is a convenient program because it allows user to create large spreadsheets, reference informations, and it allows for better storage of information. Excel operates the like other Microsoft or MS Office programs and has many of the same functions and shortcuts of other MS programs. Microsoft Excel consists of workbooks. Within each workbook, there is an infinite number of worksheets. Each worksheet contains columns and rows. Where a column and a row intersect is called a cell. For example, cell D5 is located where column D and row 5 meet. The tabs at the bottom of the screen represent different worksheets. Within a workbook, you can use the scrolling buttons on the left to bring other worksheets into view. These are all the commands that Office button contains. Just follow these guidelines that appears in your screen. To copy and paste contents, just select the cell or cells you wish to copy. Click the copy command and the clipboard group on the Home tab. Select the cell or cells where you want to paste the information. Click the paste command. The copied information will now appear in the new cells. To cut and paste cell contents, just select the cell or cells you wish to cut. Click the cut command in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Select the cell or cells where you want to paste the information. Click the paste command. The cut information will be removed and now appear in these new cells. To format text in bold, italics, or underline, just left-click a cell to select it or drag your cursor over the text in the formula bar to select it. Click the bold, italics, or underline command. To change the font style, just select the cell or cells you want to format. Left-click and drop-down arrow next to the font style box on the Home tab. Select a font style from the list. To change the font size, just select the cell or cells you want to format. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the font size box on the Home tab. Select a font size from the list. To add a border, just select the cell or cells you want to format. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders command on the Home tab. A menu will appear with border options. To change the text color, select the cell or cells you want to format. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the text color command. A color palette will appear. Select a color from the palette. To add a fill color, select the cell or cells you want to format. Click the fill command, a color palette will appear. Select a color from the palette. To apply conditional formatting, just select the cells you would like to format. Select the Home tab, locate the Styles group. Click the Conditional Formatting command. A menu will appear with your formatting options. To remove conditional formatting, click the Conditional Formatting command. select Clear Roles. Choose to clear roles from the entire worksheet or the selected cells. To apply new formatting, just click the Conditional Formatting command. Select New Roles from the menu. There are different roles. You can apply these roles to differentiate particular cell. To manage conditional formatting, just click the Conditional Formatting command. Select Manage Roles from the menu. The Conditional Formatting Roles Manager dialog box will appear. From here, you can edit a role, delete a role, or change the order of roles. To insert rows, just select the row below where you want the new row to appear. Click the Insert command in the Cells group on the Home tab. The row will appear. To insert columns, just select the column to the right of where you want the column to appear. Click the Insert command in the Cells group on the Home tab. The column will appear. Take note that the new row always appears above the selected row. The new column always appears to the left of the selected column. In editing field, just follow these guidelines that appears in your screen. Sorting. To sort in alphabetical order and to sort from smallest to largest, these are the guidelines below. Cell reference. A relative cell reference as E1 is based on the relative position of the cell. If the position of the cell that contains the reference changes, the reference itself is changed. Absolute cell. Reference as always refers to a cell in a specific location. If the position of the cell that contains the formula changes, the absolute reference remains the same. A mixed reference has either an absolute column and relative row, or absolute row and relative column. An absolute column reference takes the form SE1, SB1, and absolute row reference takes the form AS1 and BS1. These are all the kinds of functions: dated F functions, SUMF functions, F functions, syntax of functions, text functions, other functions, and functions auditing. These are all the shortcut keys. Just follow the shortcut keys or familiarize this case. Then you can apply this in Microsoft Excel. And that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something new today. Bye!